She's gonna look nice. All right, guys. So yeah, it's a mock-up. Me and Chris with the seats. With the actual. All right, so mocked up again. Finally got the seat side covers, chain. Beautiful. Starting to look like, look at the, me and Chris with the little turn signals on the back. She's starting to look like a real bobber now. His is looking good. Nick's finishing up his wiring. And yeah, we'll have some pretty cool beasts, guys. Some pretty cool beasts. It's the man right there. Look at him. The man, the hard worker right there. Blue collar bobber wearing man right there. And yeah.
With my little girl,
Alright, so we got the lights.
Crowded, so I took the stairs. The whole industry was hate, so now I give them hell. Businessman, I invest a whole million in the mail. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Overzealous Brainiac here, and today, we're going to show you a little bit more on the bikes. Today's going to be the day that I take my bike in to get tank mounted and rear fender and the sissy bar. And then from there, we'll have to paint it, and yeah, that'll be that. We're going to update you guys. I'm going to show you a lot. The last time I was here, I didn't record some of the stuff, but go back down with a rundown of everything on the bikes. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Alright, we off the bus. We're on the west side. About to meet up with Nick now. Hop in the car, head down south, and then yeah, we'll give you guys a nice little preview of what the bikes look like now. What my bike looks like before everything's put on. And yeah, we'll see. You know, it'll be cool. It'll be cool. I'm really excited today to finally get this put in. I mean, as you guys see, it is snowing, but you know, it's snowing out here. But hey, get this stuff knocked out, finish the bike up by next year, and be riding by that point. So yeah, see you. Catch you guys when we get up in there. Catch you guys maybe. Catch you when we get into the apartment, maybe show you the kittens if we go inside. Peace. So the night scene. Dinner time is here. Alright. Almost there, guys. Look at all that traffic. There's one of them. There's the other. Look at the kitties. I'm in the car. We at the south, baby. Call Nick, zooming. I'll be there soon. Alright, made it to the destination. Down on the south side. We're going to go ahead and show you guys some of these bikes real quick. You know, they're all in the garage. I don't know if you guys have seen, I think I have just a little bit of video of Nic's bike going from the red, white to the orange. We'll see. I have to look, I don't even remember the footage. Look at that footage. But yeah, I'll show you all the bikes, guys. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Chris is here. He's delivering us Christmas gifts. Since we're
put a popsicle stick on Nick and John.
I'll wait till he comes up. Alright, so this is a sneaker at Nick's. Where he's at. For you guys on the tubes. So we'll have a nice decal on there soon. Sneaker at Chris's. Try to do some more justice. There we go. And then yeah, what we did on mine. So if you guys didn't see the lights, finally got the seat on there. The black pad. side covers. I'm gonna get all that on.
Yeah, whip them now, please.
Radio. I can get it later. Radio of the gang. There it is. That's what I was looking for. Alright, we're leaving the U-Haul. Finally got that. Hitches on it. Let me show you guys. Alright. It's me and Nick. Look at her. Look at her. Get the little hitch on here. Bike's on the kit. Is she on the hitch? It's been a minute. She on the hitch. Yep. Alright, I think he's doing some checks. Oh, where'd he go? Unless he dips. I think he's just doing another check around. Yeah. Unless he went to his car. Let's get in the car. Woo! We on the road here, about to be soon, baby. This ain't as nice as the other truck, but it's alright. It's alright. Alright. Next in the car, baby. Ready to ride. Look at the bike, get everything up. Alright. There's Nick's. And here's Chris's. Mine's getting put on now. Put on to the back. Oh, yeah, I gotta shut the garage. Oh, okay, sweet, yeah. Alright. She's on there. Put the head out. Let her seats get wet. I think I put the wall on there. Yeah, she's looking good. Drop her off, baby. Alright, we're off.
That was the hard part.
Alright, we're off, baby. Got her hooked up on the back. He's doing checking his mirrors. I'm gonna try and flip him up for this video.
Alright, do not exit.
Guys, made it to Federal. Oh, the Seafall? Ooh, good thing we caught that. Oh, dude. Oh, sheesh. Alright, we're at Federal. Alright, here we go. We're in Federal, guys. Everything's in here for her. She's getting ready. And yeah. Mike over there is Nick right there. You guys know him. And yeah, everything's gonna be put on nice. Can't wait. Can't wait. Finally made the journey. She's in there forever. She's in there. Ah. Alright. So yeah, she's in Federal, guys. See her when I see her. That's when you guys will see her.